Hey guys, what is up? Midsize T here. Today we're going to be showing you how to make this chain looking, whatever this is. Anyway, I made this in my free time a couple days ago, so I'm going to show you how to make it. Looks like this. I call it a chain rope. I don't know. You can call it whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel it quickly. You just got to pull on the string. Very satisfying, right? Okay, now so what you're gonna do is you want to take a rope, make a loop like this, then make another loop, just put it in there. It took me a couple of tries, so I'm gonna do it here. There we go, just like that. When you're done, take this piece or whatever piece of rope, just stick it in there and pull that string right there. Now you should have something like that. Now just keep on doing that exact same thing, just like that. The exact same thing. Pull it through. Just, oh, I messed up. All right, there you go. All right. Just like that. And that's really it. Really simple. You just keep on doing that. There you go, guys.